Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start now, clear the area and gather a soft vinyl eraser, microfiber cloth, mild dish soap, and water. Test a hidden section to confirm the paint won't lift. Begin with the vinyl eraser, light, short strokes to lift graphite without sanding the paint. Once the bulk is gone, dampen the microfiber and gently wipe in the same direction. Make sure to wring the cloth. You want damp, not dripping. These first steps remove most marks while protecting the finish. You continue by making a mild cleaning solution, 1 teaspoon dish soap per cup of warm water. Apply with a damp microfiber and use small circular motions to dissolve remaining graphite. Why? Because agitation lifts particles without abrasion. If marks persist, make a baking soda paste or very gently use a melamine sponge. Both provide mild abrasion to break up residue. Once done, rinse the area with a clean, damp cloth and blot dry. Make sure you finish by drying the area completely and inspecting under bright light for any ghost marks. If the wall still shows faint pencil, a touch-up with matching paint or primer can restore uniformity. Make sure to feather the paint edges to blend. Troubleshooting. If a mark resists, test a small hidden spot with isopropyl alcohol or very fine sandpaper. Only use stronger solvents after testing because they can remove paint. Once done, step back and confirm the surface looks even.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.